Morning everyone, it is day, what is it day? 1, 2, 3, day 4 of our trip to Te Kahui Maunga, New Plymouth, Taranaki for the Matatini. Today is the Powhiri day. It's a pretty chill day for us, as in mahi wise, so we're just going to go to the Powhiri, go be amongst it, go get involved and just go experience the whole Powhiri. And then see what else we get up to today. We're rushing this morning because bro just woke up. I've been editing all morning and then we need to hurry up and get ready and go. So we on ways, whānau, let's go. Woo! We on ways, whānau. On ways to the Powhiri. Who's fit to go? We got our Maunga. You can see him come across this hill. Whoo! We are on. We just parked down the road. And just walking to the Powhiri now. It's not far. What do you reckon? Like a
5-6 minutes.
Yeah. Probably like a 300-400 metre walk, maybe.
Yeah.
But keen, man. Keen to see all the ropu. Keen as to just be amongst it. Be amongst the Māoridom, really, eh?
Yeah. See me sitting on the pai whānau.
We started to wear the flasher hats, the more, what would you call them? More number one looking hats.
Formal.
The more formal hats, but our heads are too big, so we had to go back to the cowboys. So we got that cowboy fit on. Let's go. Alright, whānau, if anyone asks us what ropu we're with, we're going to say te whare tapu o allies.
Yeah.
Where's that one from? Ko section 95B. Alright, we on. It's at Yarrow Stadium. Yellow. Can't read, can't spell, bloody hell. I could haka though, that's for sure. Not good enough for Matatini because we didn't make it. This is next level, follow. That was a mean experience. Straight up.
That was on Acres.
That was my first Matatini, Powhiri and cars. Just a wicked experience. Even got to see one of my bros there, Phoenix from Te Puo. Wicked. Can't wait for tomorrow, cuz. It's on. But now, Powhiri's still going, but we're going full feed. Hashtag big back actions.
My bro's hungry.
The bloody big back life. This is what happens when you come on a trip with a big back. He's always hungry. I'm supposed to be on a bloody diet. I've been pretty good for the last 5 weeks. Are we on the next one now?
Oh.
See, he's a big back and he forgets everything. I don't know where you'd be without me right here. Gee, bro, be wandering around like one of these homeless fellas. Right, we just got to the city centre. Oh, like in the centre of Palmy? Oh, New Plymouth. Fuck, I keep getting Palmy and New Plymouth mixed. But I'm gonna go get some breakfast. Yeah, there he is. Yeah, good, thank you, brother.
You're obviously from out of town.
Yeah, bro.
Walking around with a camera.
Always fits
Welcome
okay.
to Taranaki,
Thank
mate.
you, brother. What's your name?
Roger.
Roger.
But I'm actually from
Kia ora, brother.
I'm from Invercargill myself.
Oh, yeah. Alright, father, this is Roger.
I used to live here.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. We shifted down 20,
Yeah.
21 years ago.
True.
Yeah.
Oh, it's beautiful here, eh?
Oh, it's not a bad place, yeah.
Yeah. We're just going to go for a roam today and have a look around. And
Cool.
yeah.
Excellent. No, there's plenty to see and do. And
Yeah, yeah.
nice walkway down the outside.
Yeah, I heard,
Pretty
along the
good,
beach there.
Yeah.
Go for a look.
Just remember it's black sand, so it's hot.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Don't
yeah.
go bare feet.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, good lesson.
Let's
go, Chief.
Thank you for that, bro.
Good, bro. Good, brother.
We're going to go get... You know if this place up here is any good for breakfast?
I couldn't tell you really.
Couldn't? Oh, yeah.
There's we see where the yellow things are way down there.
Yeah, yeah.
There's a good couple of things in there. That's
Oh, okay.
we're going to
Oh, yeah. That's sweet,
They'll all
bro.
be good.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You know, they're putting it on for you boys and girls.
Yeah, mean.
And stuff.
Yeah. Can't wait. Oh, good to meet you, brother.
Yeah, good on you.
Yeah, good to see ya.
Cheers, mate.
Have a good day, eh? Yeah, the bro's not sure. He's like, you must be out of town. You're standing there with a camera. Well, yeah, you're not used to these ones, eh? We're from an Aussie. Well, we I live in Aussie. Where this is like norms. We're gonna check this. Lynn. What was it? Just keen on like a coffee or something.
Yeah.
Nice, good coffee. This looks fresh. This seat's Dodge. Is yours alright? Oh, yeah.
Sold me at X when
Say less. Alright, here we go. Look at the drink stuff. What's it called? The dip.
to my father.
Dip.
I just wanted to get a juice, but I brought this big back here.
Shut up, bro.
This bro, he wants to order
This
the whole
guy
menu.
was hungry at the Powhiri, bro. You know when he starts getting hungry, he starts getting an attitude. Look at him, he's trying to video me saying it was my fault.
Hey, stand up to me.
Say less.
Oh, what's that one, sis?
Open steak sandwich.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Where's
the
that?
lunch menu.
Open steak sandwich.
Oh, matua big back over here. The very disappointed with his eggs, Benny.
Where's my bread?
They looked at you and they go, he doesn't need bread. Too much bread. So they gave me a whole punnet of chips. I'm going the keto route. No carbs in there, cuss. Look at the disappointment on his face. Oh, the Kahui Maunga. This the Kahui Maunga. Damn. I'm done. Have a